Alright, this is quiz 110, example 5. Point D at -2, 3 is reflected across the x-axis. So reflecting across the x-axis, x stays the same. And y does the opposite. So that's going to be our new coordinate. So let's reflect this across the x-axis. X remains the same, -2, and y does the opposite. +3 becomes -3. So that's our new coordinate. So which statements about the reflection of D are true? The x-coordinate is -2. This is true. The x-coordinate is +2. This is false. The y-coordinate is 3. That is false. The y-coordinate is -3. That is true. And there we go.